Hello lovelies, this is the petal chain stitch. We're going to bring our needle up through the fabric and we're going to put it back in one stitch length away. But don't pull your thread all the way through. We need to be able to see where we're going to bring the needle back up through. So right in the middle between those 2 points, we're bringing our needle back up through the fabric and we can now pull our needle all the way through. Now we're going to do a chain stitch. So we need to form that loop and hold that out the way and take our needle back down through the fabric where we just came up through. Don't pull it all the way through just yet. We need to bring our needle back up through the fabric a little way above so we can form that petal shape, the chain stitch. And then we're going to go in behind that loop down through the fabric. We are going to bring our needle back up through the fabric a full stitch length away. So we're going to go up through the fabric and we're going to take our needle back down into the fabric at the base of the last chain stitch, at the base of that last petal. Take your needle down through the fabric. Leave a loop. Again, we're going to bring our needle up through the fabric in the middle between those 2 points. Now you can bring the needle all the way through. Again, we're going to do a chain stitch, so we're going to make our loop, put our needle back down through the fabric at the base, pull gently, leaving a loop because we're now going to put that tiny stitch above it through the loop and then over the top of the thread. Pull it gently. If you pull it too tight, you're going to have just a straight line basically. So you need it to have a little bit of a petal shape. This stitch works perfectly for ferns and plant fronds. Fronds, what a great word. One tip if you're doing a fern, start on the very innermost curly bit. It works out much easier to do it that way. Anyway, I hope you like this. This is the petal chain stitch. Why do I keep wanting to call it the daisy? That's not right. The petal chain stitch. Happy stitching.